No, we're having a place for it.
Can I take a question, right? I'll take a question. So this was not worth coming to.
We would give you the same respect as you give us. The White and I are in one of the same organizations that we represent the communities that neglect their kids. And I respect him and I respect him for allowing us to say our part because that's what this for. I will always respect your ability to debate an issue because this is an issue. Your side is your side, my side is my side, but I will always respect your opinion to speak. That is the issue. Okay. I wasn't there yesterday. I can't answer. Sir, they want free medical? Let me ask you. Are you for the Obama health care plan? I'm for affordable health care for all Americans. Affordable and give us some time to go over and get our input.
They had just said we're going to have ours.
Right in the country in America.
I speak for all of us here. We have much compassion.
It's not the government's responsibility.
We understand that there are people suffering in our country that need good quality health care. But our concern is that this is not about health care. This is about more and more socialistic, fascistic government control. And once implemented, there ain't no going back.
That's right.
We've already seen by example Medicare and Medicaid flop.
That's right.
What faith are we supposed to have that this is going to work? When common sense tells us that what's going to happen over time is the government is simply going to go farther and farther in debt, just as they have with Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, every big government program. There's no going back. That is our concern. We believe instead of empowering government, let's empower people. I'll give a classic example of what I mean by empowering people. A few months ago, up in the New England states, there was a doctor. He came out on national TV and said, hey, for $79 a month, I can insure every one of my patients and give them all the coverage in the world. What did Uncle Sam do? Step in and shut him down. That is not empowering people. What is the problem with our government? They want the control, and we know that it won't work. History is the teacher. That is the message that we, on the other side of the fence, who vastly outnumber those calling for this socialized medicine, and make no mistake, that's what it is.